How to give a border radius to your image on Canva. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be discussing about how you can easily put a border radius onto your image using Canva. So it's a pretty simple process. Now all you have to do is just head over to your upload section and just drag and drop any of your images like this. So in this example, I've already uploaded this image over here. So let's say I want to increase its border to make it look like circular rather than this rectangular or square shape, as you can see. Now just tap on or select the image and just tap on this corner round ring option from the top of your navigation options, and you can just increase it to how much curvy edge you want on each side. So once you do all of that, just like that, you have successfully created a border radius on your circular or rectangular or square shaped images. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.